Okay, guys, so let's continue on the next part of our notes here. Just gives you basically step-by-step instructions on completing the square. We're going to go ahead and just follow these and fill in the notes. So it says completing the square, and they give you the example of x squared minus 6x. Well, it says first, identify the b term. Well, we know that the b term is the coefficient in front of our linear term. So in this case, the b term would be negative 6. Okay, so determine the number that will complete the perfect square trinomial. Remember, you find that by taking b, dividing it by 2, and then squaring it. Okay, so I'm going to take my b term over 2, and then I'm going to square it. So in this case, my b term is negative 6. I'm going to divide that by 2, and I'm going to square it. So that's going to become negative 3 squared, which is going to equal 9, okay? So that's the term that completes my square. Step 3, we're going to add the b over 2 squared to the end of our quadratic. So we're going to have x squared minus 6x plus 9. Remember, the negative squared would be positive, okay? And then it says rewrite the perfect square trinomial as the square of a binomial. So remember, we take the square root of this, which is going to be x, the square root of the 9, which is going to be 3. We keep this sign in the middle, so it'd be x minus 3 squared. Okay? Now down below, it says to practice, complete the square. I'm going to have you guys work on those. I'll fill in the notes, and you can check your answers. But try to work those out first before you look at the answers online, okay?